Everybody, what's going on, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the Tahoe again, but we're going to be working on cleaning the wheels. Now, the order of my videos are kind of screwed up. I've just been doing random stuff to this thing, whether it's mechanical or cleaning. But don't worry, you guys will see everything. Just the order everything's coming out is just going to be a little bit weird. But I am going to keep this in line with the outside cleaning video, as well as the clay barring and the detailing. So if you're seeing this video and I'm cleaning these wheels, next video coming out, we're going to be clay barring, buffing, and waxing the whole truck. So pretty much my plan for right now is just to bring this thing to a drive-in car wash. But before I do that, I'm just going to take a crack at these wheels and try to get them nice and clean. You can see there's a lot of old, just dried up brake dust inside the spokes here, and just the normal stuff that isn't going to come off when you normally wash the car or you bring it to a car wash. So I figure I'm going to get the wheels nice and clean, then I'm going to bring it to a car wash, just have them wash all the outside. Then we'll do the clay bar, buff the whole thing, and then give it a nice coat of wax. Also work on getting all these scuffs out, like the one back here and this black one back here on the hatch. Overall, the wheels really aren't in bad shape. They just have some really, stuck on brake dust in between the spokes, and the clear coat is starting to come off, but I mean, there's no curb rash or any like major scratches or anything like that. I definitely also want to see if I get a nice new set of center caps for these things, and maybe I can apply some like rubber protectant and get these lug nut caps shined up a little bit. But all I'm going to be using today is a bottle of Super Clean. I have Super Clean diluted in here, 50% water, 50% solution, and then I'm just going to be using the little detail brush I used on the engine bay to get in between all those spokes. So right now we're just going to spray these guys down, let this stuff sit, do its job, then we'll come in after a few minutes and get in there with the brush and see how much of this stuff is actually going to come loose. Power washer out, got everything rinsed down, and it came out pretty good, but just like I thought, there's a lot of like yellowing and just stuck on brake dirt. So I think what I'm going to do is go around the rest of the truck with the rest of the 50-50 mix, get all the heavy stuff off like I did with this wheel. Then I'm going to come back with a 100% solution, no water, just pure degreaser, and we're going to let that sit on there and see if that's going to do anything. Is 100% super clean. I tried going around all the wheels and just spraying them down, letting it soak, but it was flashing before I can actually get a chance to scrub them. So I'm just going to focus on one wheel at a time. Alright, so after a couple of minutes of scrubbing, a lot of that stuck on stuff did come out just by using the 100% degreaser. Now, I can't help but feel there's got to be a better, cleaner to do this. So I'm going to take a ride down to AutoZone. I feel like they might have something that's going to work a lot better on this stuck on brake dust. The fact that I was able to get this clean with that little brush and the Super Clean tells me that I should be able to get it off and it isn't actually like caked into the clear coat. Alright, so I went and got everything cleaned up and I was about to go to AutoZone. Before I did a quick Google search, and I found out that apparently oven cleaner is really good for getting off this baked on brake dirt. So I'm going to spray this on, let it sit a minute, then come back in with that brush and see if we can get this stuff to come loose. Oh wow, this stuff's coming right off. Just come in here. That's one of the more tough spots. Sorry if you can't hear me, I put a mask on because this stuff is kind of gross. It smells pretty bad, but it's coming right off. All right guys, so it's a few days later. I got the wheels all clean. The oven cleaner did an absolutely amazing job. I mean, it got all of that really stuck on crap that was baked in between the spokes. All that came off without a problem. But now you can see really the shape that the wheels are in when they were just kind of yellowed and like covered in crap. When they were all yellowed and just like covered in that crap and brake dust, you couldn't really notice all of the corrosion and kind of peeling going on here. So maybe at one point, maybe next year in a video, I'll see if I can strip them down and hit them with a new coat of clear. But as far as cleaning goes, they came out spotless. I mean, all that brake dust came off. They look so much better than they did before. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Have you used oven cleaner on your wheels before? Is there an alternative like degreaser or cleaner that you actually prefer to use? Maybe like an actual wheel cleaner or like an even stronger degreaser than the super clean that I was using? Let me know in the comments. You can see it's actually looking pretty clean because I did bring it to the car wash yesterday. Today I'm going to be shooting the clay bar and paint correction video, so I'm going to hope I could get you know, these scuffs and little scratches and stuff out. Clay bar the whole thing, get a coat of wax on it, maybe a little tire shine. So that's going to be the next video coming out as far as detailing this thing goes. If you don't follow me on Instagram, link is going to be in the description. I'm going to be posting pictures of this as the detail process continues. So you might see a few pictures on there when I actually get this thing clay barred and buffed out before the video actually hits YouTube. So if you don't follow me on there, link is in the description. But that's going to do it for this video for now. So if you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.